Welcome to BizQuery AI, your sovereign data analyst designed to put enterprise-grade intelligence directly on your desktop and mobile. By running entirely offline with a local LLM, we ensure your sensitive business data stays private and secure on your own hardware. Simply upload your files and ask questions in plain English, no coding or SQL expertise required. From interactive charts to automated business narratives, BizQuery transforms your data into strategic decisions, instantly and securely.
In this case study, the revenue operations team is conducting a targeted diagnostic audit on customer retention within the Canadian market. By filtering for churned accounts and calculating the exact count of unique orders placed strictly before their churn date, the user wants to uncover client engagement velocity prior to cancellation. The core objective is to segment lost accounts based on historical activity, distinguishing between early churners, who left immediately after onboarding, and tenured churners, who had established purchasing habits but left later. This structural visibility helps pinpoint exactly where in the lifecycle the customer experience broke down. BizQuery successfully eliminated the data engineering hazard of row explosion. It compressed thousands of database records down into a precise 5-row operational summary. The churn date column is the definitive temporal fence. This timestamp ensures that any late-arriving ledger entries or trailing transaction logs occurring after cancellation are ignored, maintaining strict chronological accuracy. The orders before churn column acts as the baseline metric for customer health. Because the underlying query compiled unique instances, multi-line item orders, where a single order contains several separate products, are properly collapsed into single purchase events. For example, rather than showing an inflated row count for customer 021, it accurately reflects the 4 distinct purchasing commitments the client made before departing. This highly accurate operational snapshot provides clear, data-backed guidance for executive decision-making. Management can see a clear split in failure points. Resource investment should be divided between fixing onboarding or time-to-value protocols for the one-order churners and auditing product-market fit or competitor infiltration for the 4-order churners. RevOps can use these historical thresholds to build automated flags. For example, if an active account's unique order velocity suddenly plateaus or drops after their second order, an automated customer success play can be triggered to intervene before they hit the churn timeline. Because this post-mortem links sensitive corporate timelines, country profiles, and individual account identifiers, running this multi-conditional query locally ensures that high-level operational vulnerability maps are never exposed to external cloud environments. The deep analysis highlights a distinct split in behavior among the 5 churned Canadian customers, characterizing their churn events not as a single localized incident, but as an ongoing structural issue spanning from late 2024 to early 2026. Within this group, a bimodal engagement pattern emerges. Early churners, customer 107 and customer 215, abandon the service immediately after their first unique order, signaling severe friction during onboarding or unfulfilled initial expectations. Conversely, later churners, customer 21 and customer 254, maintained sustained traction with 4 unique orders each before eventually departing, indicating that tenure alone does not guarantee permanent retention and pointing toward creeping competitive pressure or relationship decay. Ultimately, the analysis recommends investigating time-to-churn durations and product line correlations to transform these preliminary findings into a predictive, early warning system.
BizQuery AI Data Analyst now introduces interactive dashboards and scheduled reporting. Save important query results as visual widgets on a customizable dashboard grid, allowing you to monitor key business metrics instantly, without rerunning queries. Automate query execution on recurring schedules, daily, weekly, or monthly, with support for CSV and PDF exports, threshold-based desktop alerts, persistent KPI monitoring, and automated business insights. Transform your raw data into a proactive AI-powered analytics workspace with real-time visibility and intelligent reporting workflows. Stop wrestling with complex SQL and waiting on IT. With BizQuery AI, you can audit performance and uncover operational friction using simple English queries. Get instant, deterministic insights and professional charts directly on your desktop or mobile. Deploy locally today and transform your spreadsheets into a sovereign central brain.